Hey guys, it's Hockey Bros Universe, back with Caleb Scott, and we're in a place that I haven't ever been. Neither has Caleb, I think.
Not in a bit.
Okay, not in a bit, so that may as well be that he's never been here. We are in Detroit, Michigan. It's actually not a bad city in the downtown area, so we're just walking around. This is Comerica Park, and we're walking to the football stadium, Ford Field, right now. How does it feel to be in the Midwest?
Very, very wet.
We have some very bad weather today. Flew in, it was very turbulent, and instantly got hit with rain and thunderstorms. But we're making the most of it. We're still gonna go see some stuff and show you guys around Detroit. Hey guys, we are at Ford Field, home of the Detroit Lions. You can kind of see into the stadium back there. I was wondering if we could get a tour, but it doesn't look like it's gonna happen unless we come back. But man, you got the Lions and then you got the Tigers. All right, this is the Greek district, if that's what it's called. I love the lighting on this street. It's very cool brick work on these old buildings. So now we are on our way to the General Motors building in the riverfront. And this is arguably the most famous building in Detroit, the largest US automaker. Tomorrow, as you guys will be seeing very soon, we're gonna actually be touring the Ford factory in Dearborn. So hopefully I get to film. I guess you guys will be finding out soon. All right guys, we're in the General Motors building. I don't even know if we're supposed to be in here. So just kind of finished up in the General Motors building. Little known fact, you come over here to the Detroit River and that is Canada right there. But what's interesting about its geography is I'm thinking about this, I realized that that's south. This is probably one of the few places in the United States where, other than Alaska, obviously, where you can be in the US and be looking south into Canada. It's crazy. So, and then over here is a big suspension bridge that goes across the river. I will say Detroit has a bad rap of being very unsafe, and don't get me wrong, there are unsafe areas. But like this riverfront downtown district is actually not that bad. I will say it's not bad at all. It's pretty cool. Good morning.
Good morning.
From Timmy Hortons. Let's go. Great breakfast at Tim Hortons. Where are we off to now?
Henry Ford Automotive Museum.
Let's go. Welcome to the estate of Henry Ford. There he is. So this is a statue of him, and do you remember his wife's name, Caleb?
Clara.
Oh, Clara. Okay, there you go. Caleb saving the day. Henry and Clara Ford lived here, I'm guessing probably until they passed away. Wow, look at this view of the River Rouge here. Wow. Hello from Lansing, Michigan. We're at the Michigan State Capitol right now. And full breezy here.